Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the mini interlocking block stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the double crochet stitch, and the double crochet spike stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 2 plus 1. I have already made 21 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. Then make 1 chain to skip 1 chain. Into the next chain, make a double crochet. Make 1 chain to skip 1 chain. Into this next chain, make a double crochet. Make a chain to skip a chain. Into this next chain, make a double crochet. And you're going to repeat these steps for the rest of your row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. You're going to skip the first stitch. You're going to be working into this open space right here, making a double crochet spike into this chain below this space. So it's going to look like that. Make 1 chain, skip the next stitch, same thing in this next open space, work into this open space, into this chain at the bottom of that open space, and make a double crochet. Make a chain, skip a stitch, into this next open space, make a double crochet down into this chain at the bottom of that open space. You're now going to repeat these steps until you reach the end of your row. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 1 stitch left and some chains from your last row. Into the top of those chains, make a double crochet. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. So row 3 is going to be very similar to row 2. Instead of working into the chains, under these open spaces, you're going to be working into the top of the double crochet beneath it. So just like our last row, you're going to skip this first stitch into this open space. You're going to be working in the top of the double crochet under that open space. So this one right here. and make a double crochet or a long double crochet or a spike double crochet into that, and it looks like this. Again, make one chain. We're going to start repeating that sequence. Skip a stitch. Into the next open space, you're going to work into the top of the double crochet beneath it, making a double crochet. Into this next open space, work into the top of this double crochet beneath that open space right here. Make a chain, skip a stitch. Into this open space, work into the top of this double crochet right here underneath that space and make a double crochet. You're now going to repeat this until you reach the end of your row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now repeat row 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the mini interlocking block stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.